in General Technologies Private Limited. In this video, we are going to see the lessons that you will cover while doing this Search Ads 360 certification. At the end of the Search Ads 360 certification, you will optimize your ad campaigns on your own and make changes to your ad campaigns to perform better and reach more number of customers. Let's deep dive into this Search Ads 360. Build your first search campaigns. As a new account manager, you have been tasked with setting up a search campaign. You should consider the following factors, that is time, budget, and performance. Whenever a business organization hired you as a manager and asked you to publish a ad campaign on their product, what you have to think in your mind is in short time you need to reach more number of customers. As the time is very low, the amount of the amount that you are going to, as you less the time, the budget also going to be less. While you are reducing the time and budget, the performance should not be less, because if the performance is higher, then automatically the number of customers you will get also high. By following these steps, we can run our ad campaign. They are create advertiser, create engine account, create campaign, create ad groups, create ads, create keywords. After creating your campaign manager account, you need to create an advertiser account in the campaign manager in the campaign manager website site. After creating the advertiser account, you need to create an engine account for your business organization. After creating the engine account, what you need to do is to start a ad campaign. In the ad campaign, you will get many ad formats like ad groups. In that So you need to create many ad groups. After creating the ad groups, you need to create ad for each and every group. After creating the ads, you need to focus on the keywords for the ads in the ad groups, so that for a particular customer, the ad will reach accurately and perfectly. Meet your goals with the bid strategies. Bid strategies can improve your campaign's performance and save time by adjusting your bids to account for your unique business goals. The following are the goals for determining the bid strategy: ad position, total number of clicks, return on investment. Build your strategy for running the ad campaigns and create your own bid strategy to stay in the competition. When you have created your own ad campaign, you have given a free hand to manage your bid strategies. If you manage your bid strategies, keep that in mind. You need to you need to keep that in mind about the performance planner. Yeah, because if you are investing in an ad campaign, if the same investment should be kept for a long period or for a short period. If the option is for a long period, analyze the impact that you are going to get in future. If you are getting the impact higher than in future, you need to change your strategy and apply it to the campaign and run the campaign for more effectively to reach your customers. Gather search insights with the Floodlight. Floodlight tag allows you to measure what users do after seeing or clicking on your ads. That's post-click measurement for search and click, and allow you view through conversion measurement for other channels. If you want to show the campaign was successful, below are some suggestions. They are email list signups, interest in a new line of boots, customer region. Floodlight is a tag that allows you to measure the behavior of your customers. When the campaign based on the suggestions given in this slide, that is email list group signups, interest in a new line boots customer region. Keeping in mind about these three topics, you can gather the information about search insights. Measure search campaign performance. Access the performance dashboard, dive deeper into performance. The following are the reports provided by the search engine campaign. They are search terms, budget management, data studio integration. Optimize with offline conversions. With so many touch points and journeys that begin online and end offline, it can be heard that capture the impact of your marketing. So we need to partner with a call tracking service. A call tracking service analyzes call center traffic, attributes calls to search, advertising, and automatically upload conversions. 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 They can also provide you with the data, and you can upload these conversions into Search as 360 yourself. To upload the conversion data yourself, you need to use bulk sheets. Set a schedule for conversion uploads, set a floodlight for tracking offline conversions, include offline conversions in reporting and bid strategies. Measure success across devices. The following reports will help you to give a brief analysis to your customer. That is, report on cross-environment conversions, report on app installs and app extensions, report on call only and call extensions. Improve your workflow with bulk sheets. Bulk sheets are also known as spreadsheets that are given that are implemented by the Google itself. When it comes to managing campaigns in bulk, spreadsheets are powerful asset to upload all necessary campaign information. They can quickly create a new campaign with bulk sheets, efficiently edit existing campaign with bulk sheets, easily check for errors. Label your campaigns for success. Labels in Search Ads 360 are a powerful tool for identifying key information within your campaign, so you can remarket to users and gain control of reporting. Create a consistent labeling structure, apply your labels. The following are the benefits of remarketing. They are convert buyer, browsers to buyers, retain existing customers, upsell to converted customers. Set such campaign goals. There are three companies which advertise on their focus area to achieve their goals are emphasize brand, highlight products, generate leads. With your focus area and goals in your mind, you can configure, manage, review, and constantly adjust campaign settings, targeting mobile devices, etc. Or set a goal for your campaign and let Search Ads 360 automate adjustment for you. Manage such campaigns efficiently. Google Search Ads 360 offers a variety of tools to create and edit campaigns to suit different needs. The following are the repetitive tasks that Search Ads 360 can help automate. Set up new campaigns, edit several campaigns at once, and automate changes. Engage customers with targeted ads. To find the customers who have already clicked on search ads or visited your site, there are two ways they are remarketing and location. For this remarketing purpose, we use display remarketing and remarketing list for such as this, that is RLSA. Adaptive geo targeting and campaign goals will give you an overview to set up the business in different geographic locations by setting a conversion goal and using adaptive geo targeting. Optimize Search Ads 360 ad content. Google Search Ads 360 provides a variety of ad features to help ad performance, but finding the winning combination can be difficult. Optimization is part art, part science, but here we will offer some tips to efficiently determine the best ad. Ad content and ad extensions. The benefits and uses of ad extensions. The winning combination of clever ad copy and a smooth landing page experience starts with high volume campaigns, tests one ad component at a time, runs a controlled test, and stays organized. Optimize with the holistic insights. Before making changes to optimize the campaign, it's important to review as much data as possible. We will review data resources, best practices for how data is handled, and how to approach analysis. Drive change data, common sources of data. To make sure that you are giving the tool most accurate, comprehensive picture possible, you need to provide quality offline data by following a simple steps. They are determine what to track, upload data files in folder, and be timely to do these works. Implement bid strategy best practices. When setting up your bid strategy, consider using portfolio bidding and weighted goals to dial in campaign performance that improves your key performance indicator, that is KPI. Some secrets to success in this field are as follows. Those are portfolio bidding, weighted and flexible goals, and forecasting. Pick a Search Ads 360 attribution model. Search Ads 360's attribution model let you adjust how conversion credit is assigned across channels like social, search, and display. Attribution models for Search Ads 360. Default attribution models allow you to re-envision your attribution reporting without making permanent changes to how it is tracked. The following are the different attribution models. Those are last click, first click, linear, position based, time decay, and time driven attribution model. After completion of these all modules of learning, at the end you will have the certification exam. After passing the certification exam, you will be able to get certificate like this. Thank you for watching this video.